Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Natisha, and we're going to go ahead and get into my makeup drawer picks for this week. We're getting into the month of February, so that means Black History Month. So I'm going to sort of have a theme for my baskets for the next couple of weeks in regards to Black History Month. So I'm going to pull a lot of my black-owned makeup brands out this month. So let's get on into it and see what I pick. Alrighty, got my foundation, liquid and powder, and base drawer open. So what are we gonna pick? So again, I'm sticking to my black-owned makeup brands. Trying to. So I'm gonna go with the Instabake or Beauty Bakery Instabake foundation. My shade is in 323W. And I'm also going to pull out my Juvia's Place I Am Magic foundation, and my shade is in Havana 420. So that's for this week. My primer is going to be, I only have one primer that is black owned. I'm not sure about Tasha, I think, but I don't know. So we're just gonna pull her out and then I'll find out later. But besides that, I have Black Radiance, their oil mattifying primer, and I think they just became, the CEO just became black owned just this year, 2020 or 2019, one of the two. So Black Opal. Did I say Black Radiance? I meant Black Opal. Opal. Get it together, Tish. And my powders, I'm going to pull out my lip bar quad. This is in Boss Moves, right? Yep. Boss Moves. And I'm going to I want to use this one. Thinking about my Mented, but this one I've had for a while. This is my Iman powder, loose powder. This is in clay medium, so I'll put that one out. I was going to do my Mented. I have medium deep, but I'm going to save that. And I may pull out I'm going to pull out my Beauty Bakery flower in yellow. Alright, so that's it for that drawer. Let's go in my lippy drawer. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, so my lippy drawer, I'm going to pull out my Color Rain Bullet Lipstick. This is in the shade Affluence. That's what she's looking like. It's like a deep burgundy. She's really pretty. And I'm going to pull out my Mented Brand Nude, which is a nude shade. I had her in the... Okay, so my Mented lipstick in Foxy Brown. It's like a reddish brown lipstick. And what else do I want to add? I don't have no lip glosses from black-owned brands. Interesting. Or lip balms. What do I want to have? This is the old school lipstick, but I still have her. Trying to finish her up. This is Shea Moisture, Shea Butter Luscious Lipstick. This is the shade, and this is in Maple. It's very moisturizing. So we'll put her out since I ain't got no lip glosses. And I need to invest in some lip glosses from Black-owned brands. I think I'm going to go with this is not rocket science, child. Pick. 2 shades from 3 shades from Lip Bar's liquid lipstick line. So we got Girlfriend, got Playmate, and the last one is Drama Queen. Okay. Alright, let's get into the next drawer. Alright, so now we're into my highlighters and bronzers. And highlighters, don't have too many black-on ones, but I'm just going to whip out the Juvia's Place highlighter, and this is in, what is she? She's volume 2. And so that was quick and easy. Bronzers, ooh. I just messed in my drawer. Bronzers, I'm going to use both of the Minted bronzers. So I have shades Yak Life, and I have the shade Vacay. Alright, so that's it for my bronzers and highlighters. Plus I have a bronze or a more contourish color in this quad from Lip Bar and highlighter. Okay, so we're in my messy top drawer that has my concealers and eye product, or like mascara and liner and stuff. So I already got my mascara out and my liner. I'm just going to keep it as is because I don't want to have too many of those open at once. But I may add in my Lip Bar brown eyeliner. I have the black one on my desk already. And my concealers, I am going to add Beauty Bakery's concealer, just because I have the foundation, so that's a good match. But this one is like a little deeper, so it kind of matches my, matches my skin. So if I want to add some highlight to it, I'm just gonna add the Juvia's Place concealer, and this is in the shade 13. Alright, so that's that. We're not gonna get down to my eyeshadows down on the ground because I already picked them out. So let me reposition the camera and you'll find out what eyeshadows I picked out. Alright. Okay, so we are looking at my drawer picks for this first week of February, Black History Month. Let's do this. So the eyeshadow palettes that I chose to use this week are all of my Pat McGrath big pan, like what is these, 10 pan palettes? Let's see. Yeah, 10 pan palettes. So those are the eyeshadows that I chose for this week. So I'll just briefly show you these. I took them out of their beautiful artwork packaging so that I wouldn't be fumbling around with them. But as you can see, without the packaging, you really don't really know which one is which, except for this pink one. You know that's Divine Rose 2 because she had that one in limited edition packaging. But to help myself out, I kind of have it in some type of order. I have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I don't know if you can see my fingers rolling in that direction, but let's just go with it. So this one is, well, I just told you I had my little system together. What is she? Oh, she's 3. So this one is 3. And this one is, I would say, my second favorite. She's up there. My 2 favorites, I would say hand in hand, they're like equal. But this color right here, oh my gosh, she's a bad shut your mouth. This one is a bad shut your mouth. Ooh, but it's number 3. This one is number 4. Number 4. I think this one is number 5. Nope. This This one's number 5. I just want to give these some loving because they sit in their little pretty boxes and I don't touch them as much as I need to. This one's number 6. Got them earth tones, a little cool. This one is number 7. Bada boom, bada bing. And also this is in lieu to her collection that just came out this Friday. And this is number 8, Divine Rose. I ordered the quad and the highlight. So that highlight is going to be my first face product from Miss Pat McGrath. I was going to order a Libby product, but I'm like, no, Tish. No, it's bad enough. You got a addiction for her palettes, but my. Then I got one of her quads here. This was holiday 2019, I think. And this one, I don't recall the name, but this is like that burgundy one. And that is on my palettes for this week. So we already went over my complexion products. Powders, I got lip bars, mascara, I have lip bars, pencils, eyeliner pencils, which I'm obsessed with. I love them. And then I have lip bars, eyebrow pencil, and arch nemesis. Obsessed. We already went over my lip products. I do have 2 lip balms in here just for moisturization. I do not have any black-owned products that lip balm, so that's one thing I need to look into. So, and then I added this single eyeshadow because I need to use those a little bit more too. But this is from the brand Iman, and the color is in Nutmeg, which is just a good all-over eye color that you don't really need to think too much about. So that is that. Everything else, like my primers from Milani, I don't have an eye primer that's black owned. I guess I could use my concealer, but we'll go with it. So down here, we already talked about my bronzers. So I talked about the lip bar quad, the highlighter from Juvia's Place. But I also added 2 products from Color Rain. One is they both in the collaboration that they had with Power, but this is the blush and highlighter, and it's called My Day. And I had got this in the mystery box. So that is that one. Oops, I just obliterated the highlighter with my finger. Oh my god. Oh my god. I mean, look, it's all over the place. But it's so pretty though. That's the highlighter. Might as well swatch it since I obliterated. Obliterate. Can I talk? Anyways, this is the other one, Duo. And this is then called The Shots. And this one was more the peachy tone one. So, that is my drawer picks for this week. I am going to do a drawer pick every week this month. It's Black History Month, so I just want to showcase all of my Black history or Black owned makeup brands. You know, it is what it is. You know, girl likes her Black owned makeup brands. But yes, I'm going to showcase them this month and I'm going to give them some love. Shout outs. They've been having sales. I know Lip Bar just came out with some new products to the line. So they have Beauty Bakery, and Lip Bar's anniversary is coming up. So they're going to have, I'm pretty sure they're going to have a sale towards the middle of this month. But that is my drawer picks, guys. Thank you for tuning into my video, showing me some love. Stay for a while, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.